In this video, I'll show you how to add leading zeros in front of a number. Sometimes we get into a situation where we need to pad a number with leading zeros. Here's one quick solution for that. We're going to declare a function, add leading zeros. It's going to take two parameters, number and length. And we're going to return a string of number. And we're going to add padStart with a length. And the value of 0 is going to be what we're going to be padding it with. And now I can console.log the result of invoking add leading zeros. And I'm going to paste in 123 and 5. So as you can see, the returned value is 00125. As always, there's more than one way to do this, so let's try an alternative approach. We'll start with a simple function definition that repeats the characters passed in. There is actually a built-in method in JS, which is the repeat method on the string prototype, and this method repeats any string we give it. For example, if I say let str is equal to NA, and just bear with me here, I can say console.log str.repeat 10, and I'm going to say in the next value Batman. So we get na Batman. Great, so now we understand what's happening here in the following function. So I'm going to name it repeat zeros, and here I'm going to take a number and length, and I'm going to return 0.repeat length. Actually, I'm going to make it even simpler than that. I don't even need the number here. I'm just going to do repeat zeros with length passed in. And now when I console.log repeat zeros, and I pass, let's say 3, I get 0, 0, 0 in a string. So that means we've taken the first half of the second approach, and now the second half of the second approach consists of simply concatenating the given number onto the leading zeros. So let's copy this entire thing, and right here I'm going to say repeat zeros v2, and this time it's going to take the number and the length, and it's going to set the value of the leading zeros variable to 0.repeat, and we'll pass in the length. Okay, and now I can return these leading zeros plus the number. All right, so here I can finally pass in repeat zeros v2, and I'm going to say 123, and I'll pass in, let's say, 10 leading zeros, and I'll get indeed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 leading zeros. As always, there's many other ways we could complete this exercise, but for now, we'll leave it at this.